Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with my Samantha doll, and I wanted to show you things that I made out of the magic mold clay. Some of it is painted and done, and some of it is not. So let's begin. I made this cute little bread, which I think is so adorable. I made a little cinnamon bun. Sorry guys, a little cinnamon bun. I have several little donuts, different shapes. So this is a curler. I'm not done painting it yet. Here's a regular donut. And this is a little bit bigger sized donut. So they're different. They're different shapes. This here is a blueberry Danish. It's so cute. And here is a strawberry or a cherry Danish. This here is another bread. Not sure if you can see that. These here are supposed to be hot dogs, but I think they're a little bit too big. It does have like the lines and things in it. Sorry. These here things I think are so cute. These are supposed to be the strawberry and peanut butter, or like grape and peanut butter. I forget what they're called. Oh my gosh, they have a name for them, but they're like bread, and then it has the peanut butter stuff inside. So that's what these are supposed to be for. They're not done yet. This is supposed to be a white little eggie. This is going to be a cookie. Like I said, they're not done. They're not finished. This is a cookie. Another cookie. This one's my favorite. It's a Mickey Mouse cookie. Sorry. A Mickey Mouse cookie. Look how cute it is. Love it. Like I said, they're all white right now because that's the color of the clay. This was supposed to be a taco, but I think it might be a little bit too big, and it got bent out of shape, so I have to fix that. This here is a cream donut. I'm going to paint it, and it has a little hole for the filling. So I'm going to paint it up, and this one is my favorite too. It looks like they took a bite out of it. So what a cute little thing. And I do have another... I have to fix some of these. Another cinnamon roll, and I do have some of the paint came off of this one. I have to repaint it. I'm not really, like I said, I'm not quite done painting it, but it's a little croissant. So this here is my little foods that I did make, which I super love. I love making food. I made these out of Model Magic, and I used, to paint it, I used eyeshadow and also nail polish. As you can see, the red matches my red nail polish because it's the same. I'm just trying to be creative and try new things, and I love little mini items. And I do have 2 packages coming in the mail, so the next couple videos that you see that I will be posting will be of my mail that I've been waiting for. I've been waiting weeks and weeks and weeks. First it says it's late, then it says it's arriving on time, then it's late again. So finally it's out for delivery, so I'm expecting a lot of packages today, but they're not all going to be for my videos, for my YouTube channel. But anyway, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's free to subscribe. There is no fee to subscribe. Half of you guys who watch my videos are not subscribed, so please hit that subscribe bell and join the fam. I love y'all so very much. Yes, and comment down below which food item that I made was your favorite. For me, I have to say that I absolutely love the bread. The bread is my favorite. I think it's so cute. I just love the braided bread. And also, I like the Mickey Mouse cookie. I can't wait to like paint it up and show you guys when these are all done. But this is my little food collection for my Instagram, because I like to post on Instagram. So please follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link below to my American Girl Doll Instagram channel, and you'll see more. You can see more of my American Girl Dolls. Okay, guys. Thank you all for watching. Love you. Peace. God bless.